Very well built pieces of equipment. Dugard have now been supplying these for many years. I mean, it's their staple when it comes to their turn-in centres. This particular model here, SL3500Y, it's got a Y-axis, it's got driven tools, it's got a large capacity. But this isn't just where this range starts and ends. There's so many options when it comes to these machines. Long bed lengths, huge turn-in diameters, twin spindles. All of the things that you'd expect to get with a turn-in centre are available from Schmeck.
And for me, I kept on hearing from their customers, it's so reliable, it does what I need it to do. I can just put a piece in then into the machine, and I know and I have the confidence it's going to do exactly what I need it to do.
We can bring 2 vices that are there to the front and put 2 more at the back, which, we haven't got a pallet machine, but effectively this gives us, as close as we can get to it. Right. By having, modular fixtures we can change in and out. We can have different setups. We've got 2 jobs in there at the moment. We could have up to 5 depending on how the work holding fits.
You said you're machining difficult materials, so how do these lang vices help?
Because the clamping force is immense. It really holds onto the part.
So it says 100 Newton meters of torque, but in terms of actual...
In clamping forces, it's tons of clamping force, yeah.
We're going to go over and look at the pallet shortly, but before we do so, Will, I just want to touch on the control. The pallet side of this machine is all integrated into the HAS control. How have you found the programming?
It's very simple. It's intuitive, it's easy. You just change a few of the encodes at the end of it and you can queue up the pallets. And what it does is, once the actual program is finished, it'll quite simply load the next pallet. If it's already got one in the station, it'll put it away in an empty station, or it'll just bring it to this door. It's quite nice and easy. We'll load it up, set it for the next time, hit the button on the side, and off it goes again.
He's very happy with this machine. He finds it extremely easy to program in all modes. He programs it off the machine, on the machine. We can operate it manually. But yeah, he just generally finds it a very easy machine, which is important when you're doing 1-offs and 2-offs. He needs to be very flexible with the machine. When we visited Colchester, I took the engineer who's running this machine now, because he knows exactly what he wants. We were up there all day, going into great detail, and they've got some really good guys up there who know the machines inside out, and showed us everything basically.
RT 3500, I mean, look at that spindle. Now, the actual 0-point system has been specially designed for this company with 75 kilonewtons of clamping force per pot. It's a special design to suit their application, and it gives them maximum repeatability within 5 microns, and it gives them interchangeability between machine tools. So effectively, they're reducing setup times, and they're being able to swap components from machine tools, and not necessarily the same machine tools either. It can be actuated through the machine tool to clamp and unclamp, and it works simply off 6 bar of air pressure.
Cuca Giovanni are well known for their bar feeders, specifically their multi-spindle bar feeders, but they also have a new product, the single spindle, but these machines are supplied by Leaderchuck International in the UK.
I'm here at the Nuclear AMRC with Lee from Star again. We're back again, Lee. We're looking at another big machine.
Well, you don't want an operator going on holiday and that spindle stops, do you?
Absolutely not, and you don't want that operator to be sweating, you want the robot to be sweating, and this is a perfect automated solution from Hydrofeed.
Yeah, so I actually got into engineering straight from school, done an apprenticeship, and then I kind of moved from kind of mechanical, kind of manual processes into automation after my apprenticeship, and then kind of developed my kind of skills there, and I moved then to a company selling end effectors in automation. And that kind of gave me a bit more sales experience. And then from kind of that company, I'm here at FANUC, looking after partners and system integrators that kind of take our robot and put that into a system.
Adam, do you watch MTD as well?
Yes, I do. I'm a big fan.
And what do you like about it?
It's great. It's just getting information about the latest machines, the latest equipment. Anyone that's really into it, well, what are you doing?
I think MTD gives a good opportunity to look what's going on within the industry that we're in, but also outside of the industry. What are other industries doing? What are other companies doing? What's new innovation that we can maybe look and see how can we bring that to our customers within Zeiss?